Hello guys, may dumating na naman tayong graded cards no from Sir Alvin. Shoutout sa iyo sir for always the good service no. So again, thank you sir for taking care of our cards. Ito na, dumating na guys. So we have two Pokemons, two Charizards and one of course my collections then Jordan. So Charizard and Jordan tayo guys. So this one is actually a BGS 2 no, but we regraded it for PSA para mas okay yung PSA for me no. So yan, ito we have here PSA 1 no. So bought this at 10, so mga 10,000 to, and right now it's around 25,000, so that's 15,000 gain no, but of course less the grading fee of around 2,000 yan. So net is 13,000 gain no. So this is, I bought this last year. Okay, so medyo ano siya, damage no kasi yun, kaya PSA 1. Okay, this one is a promo card from Phantasmal Flames. So actually this is one of my kumbaga paborito no, kasi nga maganda yung design niya, at the same time makukuha to sa promo na UPC no, Ultimate Premium Collection. Kasama siya doon sa package na yan, so hindi mo siya napupull actually. So it's a 10 no, this is worth 20,000. So again, kasama sa promo package sa collection box. So literally parang free lang siya doon eh, so kasama siya doon. So yan, maybe that's yan, ang ganda, ayos, 10 no. So meron pa ako iba nito, hopefully mag 10 din yon. So we have here Jordan no, this is sitting on my collection for matagal na rin no. So I think I bought this around 3K 4K before, so hindi ko na maalala, but right now it's yan, PSA 9 pinagrade natin. So basically it's around last sold nito nakita ko around 38 to 40K no, 38 to yun nga, but PSA 8, kung PSA 8 yan, so that's around 20 plus lang, 25 no to 30. But ito nga PSA 9, mas mataas yung grade niya, so ganun yung presyuhan niya. So ayun guys, thank you so much no. So that's how you just to insert lang no, sabihin ko lang, that's how you somehow na iba paano nga mag-invest sa cardboard, sa mga cardboard na ganyan collectible. So basically ganun lang din eh, you find raw na cards. And of course, tumaas din talaga yung mga prices nito for the past years no, yung mga sports cards, especially Pokemon, yung mga trade TCG no. So ayun lang, that's how you gain. So you can flip this and earn profit, or like me, just collect it no, for my collection. So thank you so much guys, bye bye. Thank you Sir Alvin.